Peace. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's an early one. We out here early. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? Do that by sending us an email, info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there yet, still day 5. Later on, it's going to be day 6 of a dry fast. We have a business course for you guys who want to start a business and don't have one. If you do have a business and you further want to enhance it, we got that for you. We got our course. We got one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our amazing American apparel there. Make sure you guys go check this out. What I have in this bag, I would try to show you guys, but it's like real early in the AM, so you can't see. But it's some old shoes. Some old shoes I had. These shoes I've had since I was, I think, a freshman in high school. Ridiculous. And I was just wearing them because they were moldy and they stink. They just beat up. Hope you guys can see that. Just throw them in the garbage. It's time for a change. I had to get rid of things. Can't hold on to certain things forever. It's time for the new. Out with the old, in with the new. Gotta make changes in our life. Gotta make changes in our life. I did a lot of walking in those shoes. I don't walk miles in them, literally. Just destination to destination, but waiting. You know, waited in the cold for them. Waited in the cold for me, you dig? You know, since this fast, I've been very deep in my thoughts. Caught myself just sitting down, not even saying anything. Just so deep in my thoughts. Just absorbing them. Really valuing the moment. A lot of things I've been thinking about. Being a scientist, like really. What I mean by that, I mean just in the lab crafting drinks and thinking about making black tea, lemonade, black tea, some agave. That'd be so sweet. And I can add on to it. I got more stuff so I can make juices. And I got stuff where I can make dehydrated things, dry fruit. It's all coming, but I mostly been thinking about the drinks. I know it's cold, but it's like, because I'm more sensitive to the temperature, because I'm fasting. I let the door open, my dog stepped out and he urinated. While this other lady is looking for her dog. So I wasn't mad. Because I guess he had to go to the restroom. I didn't say restroom, but he had to go release his waste. And on that note of waste, I've been thinking about urine therapy. You know, I talked about it before on this channel about urine therapy. And I've used it. Urine therapy is using the body to heal. You know, as they say in nature, there's no waste in nature. One thing Dr. Sebi talked about is that he drunk his urine every single day. Every single day. And I don't remember, I think it might have been on the 20 or something day. He began to become blind. He was blind. He said he couldn't see. He told his people, he said, I cannot see, I'm blind. You know, he literally couldn't see. And he still kept drinking the urine. And then, I think a day or two after that passed, he then got his vision. He wasn't blind anymore. He wasn't blind anymore. He was able to see. Sure, it is cold. Freak that. He wasn't blind anymore. He was able to see. You know what I'm saying? He was able to see the clearest to print on the farthest of billboard. His vision was so clear. All from drinking his urine. He said it's his urine. Why can't he drink it? Makes sense. Y'all come up with an answer. Why wouldn't he? But I've used urine therapy on open wounds and like cuts. Like when I was in the forest, I had wounds and from the vines cutting my legs open, and I peed on it. And when I peed on it, and then when I peed on it, you know, it stung sometimes, and sometimes it just felt like, but it was just like clearing out the wound, because, you know, it didn't get no infection from it, clearly. And then cleaned it out, and then it stopped the inflammation as well. Stopped the stinging. Caused a little stinging before at times, rarely, but it stopped the inflammation, and ultimately it healed. I've showed you guys my legs, showed you how they look, and I've even used urine therapy on this one recent cut I got during, I think, like the start of my fast in the shower. I don't know how I got the cut, but it just started bleeding, and I'm using it on the area. I've been watching how this cut is a little bit kind of deep. It's been healing itself. So yeah, I was thinking like, what about a way to break this dry fast with drinking my own urine? Sounds almost crazy saying it, but just knowing the health components that go with it. Because if you just follow this, what Dr. Sebi, I've done his practices, you know, I follow it. My diet is based off of his, you know, food that I eat. And then Food is based off of it. He did a 40-day fast, 40-day water fast, I think. I think it was water. Yeah, 40-day water fast. I did a 40-day liquid fast. You know what I'm saying? And I watched my vision improve doing that. And there's other people too that have done urine therapy and they've drinking their own urine. So it's just a thought. I don't know yet. It's just a thought. Another component to healing. But yeah, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Follow us if you're not following us. I don't know why not. Make sure you guys go do that. Business course in the description box. Go ahead, shop with us at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You can get one of a kind art pieces and one of a kind amazing apparel. Let me make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification, and really drop your comments on this one because I want to know what y'all think. All right, peace, love, and life.